to express their views on the market by taking both long and short leveraged positions. Then there are specific crypto products that invest in DeFi, decentralized finance, which is enabled through blockchain, primarily on Ethereum, opening up all manner of disruptive financial services. This is a particularly interesting space and moving exponentially. And lastly, for the more sophisticated investors, there are around 500 crypto funds, of which there are around 150 long-only type products and 50 crypto hedge fund of funds. And these invest in multiple crypto firms and strategies to reduce their risk by capturing most of the upside and reducing the volatility significantly. At Currency Hub, we've been managing an arbitrage strategy since 2017, which is unique to South Africa and its citizens. Here we exploit the regional price inefficiencies of crypto assets as a result of exchange control limits that exist in South Africa. And through the utilization of our clients' 11 million rand yearly offshore allowance, we trade crypto assets without ever being exposed to Bitcoin,